Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I went to my Dollar Tree specifically looking for nail polishes. I will be using these nail polishes in a craft project is why I went looking for nail polishes. This first collection I'm going to show you are OPI nail polishes. This one is like a rust or a copper tone. You see there? And I don't have names or any kind of color identification on here, so this is what we have. This one is like a really dark gray color. This one is like a blue purplish color. It is like really fantastic color. And then this one is like a blue green, really dark blue green color. And then this is the pink one. And then all these colors have like a sheen or an iridescent shade to them. And that's what I needed. I did pick up some regular shades also. These here are designed for nail art. And I picked it up in the color lemon, black, and white. What I liked about these, and they are by LA Colors, is the brush itself. Look what a fine tip brush that is. It's going to work excellent with my project. So, and I like it that, each one has their own brush so I don't have to locate some brushes. And then I picked up these two. This is Color Vibe, the CV collection. And I picked it up in Snatched, is the red one. And then the white one is called White Out. And these two are also like they're a regular tonish color on the brown one actually. And it's by Flower. And it is called Don't Be a Wallflower. And then I did pick up some new colors. These are both by New Color, but it does come in like different bottles. This is the regular nail polish and this is the gel polish. Now this one, the gel polish, is actually it doesn't have a name on here. It's like a really peachy tone. But the number back here says it ends in 2202. So there's that one. And I have a couple of green shades. And they are the number 904 and 925. I also picked up this one. This shade is like a grayish green color, and the number is 979. And then this one is like a light brown shade, and it's 997. The next collection I picked up is by Sally Hansen. I picked up this one. This is like a really dark blue color, and it is called Dark Denim. This is like an orange sheen polish, and this one is Heat Stroke. And then this one is like a lime green color, and it is called Limestone. And then there are these. I picked up a white one. I wanted to have like a collection of white nail polish and see which one works best. And this is called White Out. And then these are gel polishes. I picked up this one. It's like a iridescent green color, and it's called Highlighter. And this one is a neon orange. It's called Squeeze Me. Now, these are by Color Vibe. Oh, look at that. I'm on the watch out to see what other colors that they have in this collection. It'll be nice to have. I also picked up these. This one, you get 3 different colors in one box for $1.25, right? So, it works great when you're testing how nail polishes look in a project. I like these. This is a Iglo fashion nail polish set. Let's see. It doesn't say on the outside what color they are. So let me open right quick. So in this collection, this is what we get. This one has glitter in it, but it's like a bluish tone. And this is like a brown one. Look at that. And this is like I don't know, like a very soft orangey color. Yeah, this one is the only one has glitter, looks like. There might be a bit of glitter in this one too, but not as obvious as this one here. This one, look at these colors. Aren't they pretty? I was after the purple one, but this is the collection it came with. So we have the sheen blue screen color here. And then we have like a blue one with glitter. And then the purple sheen one. I like those. I like this. I'm going to try them myself too on my nails. But I want to have a collection specifically for nail polish crafting. And then there's this one here. Oh, sorry. Look at this. Isn't that such a pretty color? I picked this one up because it has that neon colors in there, like the neon pink and the neon yellow. And then the red is a bonus. I love that red shade. I have never used this brand before, so I'm looking forward to see how well it works. And then the last ones I picked up are these. And I picked up this one because I was thinking Halloween. I have like a soft pink, the orange, and this looks like a really dark purple. How neat, right? Yeah, I'm going to try, a project in the Halloween colors and see how well that one works. But if it doesn't work out, I will still have them for myself. I'll have some new nail polishes to wear for Halloween. This is what I went to Dollar Tree for this week. I needed a good collection of nail polishes at wonderful prices. And Dollar Tree has wonderful prices at $1.25. See there? I like this. I love shopping Dollar Tree for nail polishes. I don't try every single one that they have, but once in a while I do pick up like the name brand ones when they come in, like the Maybellines, the OPIs and all that. And I like using these ones here. The new color, I like the new color, but I like it in the gel form. So I usually pick up these ones. And I don't mind these because they are, I don't know, they work really well. It doesn't flake off like, some nail polishes do. So I like those. And then on these color vibes, I have not tried it on myself, so I couldn't tell you. And then we have the Sally Hansen's. I like the Sally Hansen's, but you have to make sure that you wear like a base coat before you put these on because it will yellowish your nail. You know what I mean? But yeah, I think I have a very good collection to start with on my project. And I hopefully I showed you some nail polishes that you may want to buy for yourself, or if you're looking to make some nail polish art, this Dollar Tree is the place to go. And the future news at Dollar Tree is they are putting out back to school items, and they're bringing out all the harvest floral. So take a look when you go visit your Dollar Tree. I hope that you find everything you have on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.